Daddy, I have a new shoes. Look.
Oh, you dance nga.
Dance.
Wow, galing ah. Wow. What's your dance again?
Love me like you do.
Love me like you do. La la, love me like you do. You're like daddy.
Very good.
How about your bag? You show to daddy.
Get your bag.
Binilang ko ng bagong bag kasi gutay-gutay na yung lumang bag niya. Tingnan mo naman ang lumang bag niya. Oh, gutay-gutay na. Kawawa naman.
Put in the side so that your shoes in your bag
O, pakita mo yung anak ng bag mo. Yung baunan ng bag mo.
like that. Wow.
Sa'yo na yung anak na bag na.
Inside.
Yung...
Wow.
Ito ang siyang namili. Gusto niya Cinderella. Ang pinagpilian, Frozen, Barbie, Cinderella. Yan naman ang pinili niya. Maliit lang.
Naman. Ang galing-galing naman.
Take 320 yan. Maliit lang kasi March. Magma-March na.
Daddy, look, it's rocking my shoes.
Wow.
Oh, wow. Ang ganda. Oh, talikod ka, anak. Talikod.
Ay, even at the back, there is like, oh, ganda.
Ganda. May inggit ang mga classmates niya.
Wow.
Frozen. O, side. Para makita ni daddy.
Pag ginamit mo sa Friday, wow, side.
Side. Oh, Elsa.
Wow.
Walang Hello Kitty eh. Kaya yan na lang.
Wow. Eksakto sa, magkakita na wala.
Nadalawans na natin. Dalawans. Oh, you say? You like it?
Mom, Daddy.
You say thank you to daddy.
Daddy, look, it's rocking.
Then say thank you na.
Thank you, Daddy.
Say I love you na.
I love you. This is a pasalubong na to me.
Ay na.
Very
Okay.
touchy.
You flying kiss na sa daddy. Ay na flying kiss eh. Okay. Oh, wala namang light.